hCaptcha prevents a website from being used by bots that generate AI prompts.
Alright, hear me out. You're planning a trip, scrolling through endless Telegram groups, chats, and it's a disaster. Pages of random messages. Well, no more. Enter Telegram Scraper AI, the tool that's here to save your sanity. With Telegram Scraper AI, you can search for public Telegram groups and scrape their chats and analyze them with AI. Travel tips, scam prevention, group psychology, it does it all. Here is how it works. Step 1. Use a smart search bar powered by Python and i18 and Multilingual Support. Type in your interests like Malaysia and will fetch public groups talking about the best street food or hidden travel gems. Step 2. Got a group? Paste its link, hit scrape and BOOM! Your data is exported neatly as text or zip using Telethon and JS zipped libraries. It's fast, official and oh, so satisfying. Step 3. AI chat analysis. Thanks to OpenAI API, you can ask insightful questions like what is the safest way to travel in Kuala Lumpur or should I avoid taxis? The AI combs through the data and gives you real answers, no fluff, just results. Why do you need this? Let me tell you. Planning a trip? Export group chats and ask what is a must-see in Langkawi? Or how do I avoid tourist scams? Concerned about scams? Analyze groups to see if they're promoting shady pyramid schemes or NFT nonsense, you know. Your wallet says thank you. Thank you. Don't say, I didn't warn you. I did warn you. Now, about the quirks. Sometimes the web hosting service might be down. Why? Because I'm hosting this on, wait for it, a free plan. No. And here is a kicker. When you open the website, because of the free plan, it's paused. So it takes exactly 2 minutes and 2 seconds to start up. By the way, remember, data you scrape is for personal use only. If you want to train an AI or do something big, make sure you have permission first. Stay ethical, folks. So whether you are planning a trip, keeping your finances safe, supporting mental health, exploring hobbies, or just being curious about public groups, Telegram Scraper AI has got you covered. Try it out, or don't, but seriously, you're missing out if you don't. I have seen out 2 times.